Imagine creating complex animations without constantly managing keyframes. That's exactly what DEM for Blender was designed for. DEM is a fully procedural motion layer system that lets you build, combine, and refine animations entirely in real time. Instead of constantly rebuilding your animation every time you need to make a change, simply adjust your motion layers while the animation keeps playing. Every layer remains fully editable, giving you the freedom to experiment, iterate, and refine your ideas without interrupting your creative workflow. Whether you're making small adjustments or completely rethinking an animation, every change takes just a few seconds. There's no need to rebuild your work or start over. Spend less time managing your animation and more time exploring new ideas, refining motion, and focusing on creativity. The multi-module extends the same workflow to entire object hierarchies. Create procedural explosion effects, animate multiple objects simultaneously, and combine different motion layers to build complex animations in just a few clicks. Because every DEM module works together, you can freely combine different procedural systems into a single animation. Adjust the timing, move layers, or change any parameter at any stage of your project without starting over. The Spline module lets you animate any object along a curve with complete procedural control. Simply assign a path, add your motion layers, and start building your animation in real time. Combine multiple move and rotation layers, adjust their timing independently, and refine every part of the animation while it keeps playing. Because every layer works additively, you can create complex path animations by simply stacking procedural motion layers, giving you complete control over both the movement and the timing without ever losing flexibility. DEM isn't limited to object animation. The same procedural workflow can be applied to virtually any animatable object in Blender, including cameras, lights, and much more. Create procedural camera paths in just a few clicks. Use Lookat to keep your subject perfectly framed, and refine every aspect of the animation while it plays in real time. Just like every other DEM module, every parameter remains fully editable, giving you the freedom to experiment with different camera movements, improve your shots, and respond to changes without ever rebuilding your animation. DEM also includes a fully procedural noise module. Add movement and rotation variations to any animation, then control the intensity and frequency of the effect in real time. Because the noise module works together with every other DEM module, you can easily enrich your animations while keeping every parameter fully editable and your original motion completely intact. Reuse your work in seconds. Copy complete procedural animations from one object to another, then simply adjust the new object's position, rotation, and scale. Capture a new base transform and continue refining every motion layer independently, allowing you to create unique animation variations without ever starting from scratch. This video is just a quick overview of what DEM can do. Watch the full tutorial to explore every feature and learn how to get the most out of your workflow. Spend less time managing keyframes and spend more time designing motion. Try DEM for Blender now.